Once upon a highway, a state-of-the-art autonomous truck had one mission: deliver 12 pallets of oat milk, and never question the route. It conquered freeways, it cruised through cities, it dodged potholes with the elegance of a ballet dancer on caffeine. Then came the U-turn. The Jipper said, "Make a U-turn when possible," and the truck said, "Define possible." It paused, spun its LiDAR sensors, checked with 12 satellites, and promptly gave up. 3 minutes later, it was still there, frozen in existential crisis. By hour 2, a family of squirrels had claimed squatters' rights under the trailer. Eventually, the truck rerouted to Canada. Nobody knows why. Moral of the story? Even the smartest machine can't replace a trucker who knows how to just wing it.